Alright, so we've got word chains, and they're racing against their partner. So the rule is come up with the word, and then the next word underneath it has to start with the last letter of the word above it. Let's see who can finish the fastest.